Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add depth effect to our photos to seem like as if they are recorded by the depth effect, or I mean like shoot by the depth effect of a professional camera or a professional phone or anything, stuff like this. So let's get started and follow me step by step. As you can see, this is a car behind it. We can see what's behind it. Let's zoom in. As you can see, there is no blurry background or stuff like this. So I'm gonna select the car by the object selection tool. Now the car is selected. I'm gonna select the inverse in order to select the background. Now I want to add the blur effect without having this effect on the car. So I'm gonna, for example, blur. As you can see, it's being blurred. As you can see, this is blurred. Now let's zoom in to see. As you can see, here is blur. As you can see, it's now blurred. Let's go back. Have this blur area. Have this area blurred also. Have this area blurred also. Let's blur all of this. Blur the upper thing like this. As you can see, it's now being manipulated in order to be blurred. Just a second. Here it is. Let's blur this also. Now, yeah, everything is blurred. Let's, for example, click Ctrl Z in order to see the difference. Click Ctrl Z, Z, Z. As you can see, here's the difference. Here's the photo at the beginning. And this is the end. I may zoom to show you this. As you see the difference between the tire and the background, as you can see. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.